your masking tape has two sections that are in between. You then are going to take your last popsicle stick, and on the flat side now, you're going to place the tape so that the first line you've made is right at the top of the flat side of the popsicle stick. Tape that down, and you are going to flip the popsicle stick over and do that to the exact opposite side. I now have a piece that looks like this. This is the sticky side on the inside, because now I'm going to just squeeze those together, and so I have a popsicle stick with tape on it. You then need to take this, and you are going to be placing it onto your catapult. First, make sure that you do not tape in the section that you have marked, because that will act as your hinge for the catapult. So, take your tape, and you are going to place your popsicle stick near the base, as close down. Make sure that the line of the second line you've made is below, at about the level of the 2-inch popsicle sticks. And then you're going to securely tape, wrap around to make sure that it is secure. So now your catapult should look like this. This should be able to move freely. It should not be getting caught on anything, and that's why we've left that gap so that it can move. You also have your rubber band coming back. This is when it comes to you personally deciding how much tension you would like on your catapult. If you would like to just have your catapult at this location, your tension will be less than at other locations. So I'm saying for this catapult, I'm going to go at about a 45-degree angle, somewhere in between there. Raise your popsicle stick so that you are at about a 45-degree angle, or any angle that you choose in between there according to the tension you would like. Make sure that you have your rubber band long enough so if you want to adjust it later, you can. You're then going to tape your rubber band straight to that popsicle stick. At this point, I have a little catapult. I just need to have a little top part for that. So, now you're to your 2-inch section of paper. With your ruler that you still have, you're going to go in from the edges about 1/2 inch. So now it's marked up so it looks like this. I now need to be able to fold it so that I can attach it to my catapult. So first I'm going to cut in one side. Actually, it'll probably be easiest to fold first. So fold your paper along those lines that you have made. Then you're going to cut in from one corner. You're going to cut in until you get to the box. Flip it over and do the exact same thing on the other side until you get in. Now this will be able to fold up into that section. So you're going to do that to the opposite side. Now when you fold your box together, you already have it on the folds. Just push it so that your box will be into a little box. Make sure you tape that. I now have a little box. This is going to be attached to the catapult. So, start by making an attachment onto the catapult. Then you can secure that in any manner that you would like to. This does not have to be as secure because the only pressure that this will have is that of the catapult as it fires. There's not going to be tension pulling on it. So now that you have your catapult made, you take one of the pieces of paper or tape that you messed up with, crumple it into a ball, and you test it with a slight one and a farther one. There you have made a catapult. Thanks for watching the tutorial.